Welcome back to Making Manda. I hope you all are having a great day. Today, whoop! Am I late? Where's Mr. Polar Bear? Oh, Miss Penguin, he already went back to the North Pole last week. Oh no, I wanted to see Mr. Polar Bear before he left. Why do you want to meet him? I cannot meet him at my home because I live in the South Pole. Maybe you can see him next time. Anyway, you are very fast at sliding. Yes, penguins enjoy sliding because we can't walk well. This is how we walk. Wow, so cute! Look, I can do it too! You are very talented, Manda. Thank you. Hey, Miss Penguin, I see that you have wings. Can you fly? No, I can't. Penguins used to fly a long time ago. So your wings are just decorations? No, our wings help us swim. Are great swimmers. I see, your wings are like flippers. Yes, that's right. Penguins live 80% of their lives in the sea. We need to swim a lot to catch our food. Oh, what food do you catch? Penguins eat fish, squid, and shrimp. We have to swim deep to get them. Does that mean you can hold your breath for a long time? Yes, emperor penguins can hold their breath up to 20 minutes. Wow, that is amazing. Let me try. It is so hard to hold my breath. Good job, Manda. Thank you. By the way, what kind of penguins are emperor penguins? They are the largest penguins in Antarctica. I am an emperor penguin too. Oh, but you are very small. That's because I am still a baby. But when I am older, I will look like this. Oh, I see. That makes sense. So penguins can be many colors? Yes, there are many different kinds of penguins. Our colors help us blend in with the water. Why do you need to blend in? So we can hide from seals, sea lions, and sharks. Ooh! Wow, you are like Mr. Polar Bear. He can also blend into his home. Yeah, I think we could be great friends. I think so too. So, Miss Penguin, it must be really cold in Antarctica. How do you stay warm? Well, emperor penguins have a thick layer of fat, and we always stay close together to stay warm. Do you have a big family, Miss Penguin? Yes, I have many family members. Oh, I think I should go back to my father now. Your father? What about your mother? She is hunting in the ocean right now, so my dad is taking care of me. Both male and female penguins take care of their babies. That's awesome! You have very nice parents. Do you think I can meet Mr. Polar Bear next time? Sure, I will let you know when he comes back. Great! Thank you, Manda. See you later. Bye, everyone! Woo! That was so much fun. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time.